Tyler embarked on his journey to early retirement by staking in a new cryptocurrency dedicated to preserving the environment. The project aimed to fund conservation efforts worldwide, merging blockchain with ecological preservation. With a keen interest in wildlife protection, Tyler diligently researched the coin's collaborative efforts with global organizations. As he reinvested his staking rewards, Tyler not only increased his financial gains, but also contributed significantly to nature conservation initiatives. His approach highlights how combining personal investment goals with ecological causes can lead to financial independence while fostering positive global impact.